Hi, I wanted to show you how I measure the speed of Nerf darts. Even though I own a chronometer, it annoys me most of the time. To get a good result and not a bunch of errors, you need the light to be perfect, which, let's face it, quite often isn't the case, especially inside. So I've built my own chronometer that is independent from the light source and integrated into a Nerf barrel. The dart speed is measured by using two light barriers, which are located in the front and the back of the barrel. The barriers consist of infrared LEDs and phototransistors. When a dart passes them, blocking the ER LED, the current drops instantly to zero. At this time, the microcontroller starts counting the microseconds until the second LED is blocked. Since we know the distance between the two LEDs, it is possible to calculate the dart speed. Let me show you how it works. Simply attach a Nerf gun to it and shoot through it. I've tested it against my chronometer and it's extremely accurate. It also allows you to show the average speed by pressing this button. If you press this button for 3 seconds, you can reset the counter and start over again. The only disadvantage is that not every Nerf gun allows you to attach a barrel, but you can simply hold it in front of it or 3D print an adapter. If you're interested in building your own version of this chronometer, take a look at the descriptions. I've posted a full set of instructions on Instructables.com. Thanks for watching.